Hello guys, so this is the second part of the business of home improvement and renovation business. So let's continue what we start. Let's move on to the next section. So you can edit this section from here. You can add item, or you can go to the link. You can link editor here. You can add the link you like. Here you can change the wave intensity. You can change the wave width and the text style. I'm gonna make it like this. That's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So you have first to delete this image, to add another one here. So go to the free image and search for home improvement. I'm, go I'm gonna choose this. You can change this paragraph here, this text, uh, like this. And now let's go to the background. You can select just a simple arch if you like this. That's it. Now let's move on to the next section. You have to delete all these images here. Add one in the middle, another one here beside it, and the last one. Home improvements and renovation. For example, I'm gonna choose this. The second one. So this is just for example. You can add whatever you like to make your site better than this. And the last one. So search here on you can search whatever you like, can type whatever you like on the search. Home improvement and renovation. That's it. Now let's move on. Wait a few seconds. Now let's move on to the background. Just a simple arch from here. And also here just a simple arch. You can change the colors of the text and the fonts. You can change the colors of the themes wherever. So here you can add the social link, any social link you want to add. This is the contact section, also just a simple arch from here, and the last section, the footer. So also just a simple arch, and that's it. Now if you're done from here, you can go to the site styles, go to the fonts. So here you can switch the fonts back. You can select one of these fonts here if you want to change the font. Also the animations, the colors. You can customize the themes of your website. And the animations, you can set the style of the animations, for example, like this. So wherever you like, you can customize the speed. That's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the spacing. Here you can change the page width and the size margin. You can reset this size to defaults. So that's it. Now if you're done from here, you can just save this and go to the selling section, and you can here add the products to your section, to your inventory. So here add the products to your inventory and customize the price. You can add customize the price in your products, add the name of your products in the image. Here you can add the way to get paid and choose the subscription plan. And the last step is publish your website and start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your site on Squarespace for home improvements and renovation business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.